In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable and delete OneDrive in Windows 10. If you're looking to free up some space or just prefer not to use OneDrive, this guide will walk you through the process quickly and easily. Let's start by focusing our attention on the system tray located on the taskbar at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, among the other icons, you're looking for the OneDrive icon, which typically resembles a pair of clouds. Once you have found it, go ahead and right-click on the icon, which will reveal a menu containing various options for you to explore. In the menu that appears, you need to click on the Settings icon. This action will open up a new window, allowing you to adjust OneDrive's various options. In the new window that pops up, ensure that you click on the Settings button. What you'll see next is a tabbed interface that hosts a range of adjustable features and settings for OneDrive. Now, direct your attention to the Account tab where you can manage the accounts linked to OneDrive on your computer. Here you'll find all the details about the account currently connected to your PC. To disconnect OneDrive, simply click on the option labeled Unlink this PC. Once you have unlinked your account, your computer will be decoupled from your OneDrive account, effectively stopping any synchronization with OneDrive. Having unlinked, it's now time to completely remove OneDrive from your system. To do this, you'll need to access your computer's settings. The easiest way to do this is by clicking the Start menu, then selecting the gear icon. Alternatively, you can press the Windows key plus the letter I on your keyboard. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the section called Apps or Apps and Features, depending on what version of Windows you are running. This section allows you to manage all the installed applications on your PC. Here, you'll need to scroll through the list of programs until you find Microsoft OneDrive. Once you've located it, click on it to reveal further options. Next, click on Uninstall. At this point, Windows will ask you to confirm that you'd like to continue with the uninstallation process. Go ahead and confirm, and Windows will take care of removing OneDrive from your system. This process might take a few moments, so be patient and wait for the system to finish its task. And there you have it, OneDrive has been successfully disabled and removed from your Windows 10 computer. By following these steps, you've not only unlinked your PC but also uninstalled it completely, thereby creating more space and potentially boosting your computer's performance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in assisting you to remove OneDrive. Have a great day!